guys, you're welcome to my channel. Now, before you start any business in Nigeria, you need to make sure that that business is profitable. There has to be a form of market already existing for that business. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you my 5 top profitable business ideas in Nigeria. You're welcome back to my channel. Now, before we start, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Do well to hit that subscribe button right here and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to share it. Very quickly, let's go right ahead and start with our 5 top profitable business ideas in Nigeria. My number 1 business on the list is fashion design business. The truth is, fashion business is highly profitable in Nigeria. It's a profitable business idea that I don't get tired of sharing with people. If you know that you're creative and you have this desire to make beautiful clothes, please just go into fashion business, seriously. Because the thing is, everybody wears the clothes. Everybody must have a form of covering or the other. And people, especially women, want to be fashionable. They want to, even if they have 10 clothes, they want to have more. They are never satisfied with the kind of clothes they have. They want more. And they want, especially if you are unique and you have something different to share from their previous tailor, they want to find you and they will get to you. So fashion business is a very profitable business, and people have made it in the industry. The likes of Ogugo Okonkwo of Style Temple, man, I really doff my cap for her, because she's someone that I've known back then at the university, and there was this creativity in her right from there, and she has used this creativity to start up her fashion business, and she's making money from that business. You can check her out. I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can go to her website. And one thing with fashion business is that if you want to start as a beginner, you need to learn the skill and learn from a professional, learn from somebody who knows her onion, so that you don't make the same mistakes that other people are making, because where you learn from is very, very key. So if you're a beginner and you want to start a profitable business in Nigeria, do well to start a fashion business. If you're creative and you like the fashion industry, there is money in it and people are making it. Number 2 on my list is the catering business. Food is something that we cannot live without. Like, living is synonymous with food, because our body needs the nutrients that come from this food to stay alive. So if you must be alive, you need to eat. That is why food business is something that can never die. It does not care about the economy, whether the economy is good or the economy is bad. People must eat. And so if you are into any form of food business, catering business, you are going to make a killing from it, as long as you make food that are delicious, food that people love. They will come and find you. You don't even need to go and find your clients. And the truth of the matter is that no matter the level you start in your food business, there are always customers for every level. The likes of Chinelle's Kitchen have made it in the food industry, and funny enough, she started with just delivering lunches to your homes or your offices, and today she caters to thousands of people in events and all that, and she's really making it. People of Enugu, they are enjoying, but I must tell you, she is eating her money. She is making good money from it, because she's decided to create something unique for her brand. Whenever you taste her food, you will want to come back to order for more. And that is why food business can never run out of fashion. Like, it will always be there. No matter how you start, you will make money selling food. So if you're the type that love cooking and you want to make catering your business, do well. It is a highly profitable business to start in Nigeria. But you also need to learn from a professional if you're a beginner. It's not just about what you cook in your home, but this time around you're cooking commercial. You're cooking for the public. So you need to have this unique taste that people, whenever they taste your food, they know that this is coming from Chinelle's Kitchen. So I'll leave a link down in the description where you can also link to Chinelle's Kitchen, especially those in Enugu. If you've not tried her food, you should order from her. I'm telling you, I have personally tasted it, and Number 3 on the list is backyard farming. People farm fish, poultry, snail in their backyard these days. Gone are the days when you need to have hectares of land before you now say, okay, I want to really go into farming. You can start from wherever it is where you are. As long as you have space and you have water, you can start a farming there. And the truth of the matter is that as long as catering business is lucrative, farming business is even more lucrative, because these caterers, they need to get their food ingredients and condiments from these farmers. So if you don't farm, there will be no food. That is why farming business is very lucrative. I know a friend that farms fish in her backyard, and the truth of the matter is that she uses this GP tank, just a GP tank, to farm her fish. And at the end of the day, if she makes sales, she's making 50,000 naira cash as profit from the fish she sells in her house. She didn't go to anywhere. A sister of mine started her poultry business in a carton with 10 birds. She didn't wait until she had a lot of sophisticated cage. No, she got a carton, bore holes in it, and she puts her 10 chicks there, and she raised them. Today she has 50 birds that she's raising, and the thing is that she uses this to help herself in school. So wherever you are, if you're a beginner, you can start from wherever you are. Don't wait until they have this big thing. Funny enough, all this lucrative business, they even have little capital that you can use to start with. Start with where you are, and I'm telling you, you're going to make it. Photography is a profitable business in Nigeria. The likes of the 24 have made it in the photography industry. So if you're a beginner and you want to start and you want to stand out, you want to make people come back for your services, you need to learn how to take professional shots. So the 24, they're really killing it in the photography business. Like, if you've not tried them, do try them. Their unique way of putting out your memory stands them out, and seriously, you need to check them out. I'll leave a link down in the description. Learn from a professional, from someone who knows his or her onions. You can learn hands-on in photography schools or photography academies, and you can also learn online. Some people do learn online. Number 5 on my list is the web design business. People want their businesses online now. Like, the internet is growing massively, and everybody wants his or her business to be identified as well, so that it can also grow with the internet. And seriously, there is money in web design. Web design business is something that is so lucrative, especially now that businesses want to have an online presence. People want to be seen by the world, and so if you really want to make your business stand out and move it to another level, you need to have a website for your business, and that is where a web designer comes in, that will build those stunning websites for you that will attract even investors to your business. So if you want to start a web design business, you need to learn the skill and learn from a professional. I told you in one of my videos that my husband and I have a web design company where we build websites for people at a very affordable cost. We also train people. So if you're interested in learning how to become a professional web designer, do send me an email and we'll get back to you on that. So these are my top 5 profitable business ideas in Nigeria for beginners. Do well to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and don't forget to share it. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.